Welcome back to Business Help. In this video, we're going to be going over how to make a budget in Excel. So first off, how to do this is you're going to go to open up Excel and click on the More Templates. So here you can search for many different things. There's many other things you can do here, calendars, many other things. But we're going to be searching for personal budget. So now, there's many budgets here, but let's pick one that's going to be easy to understand and very easy to use. We're going to click on this basic personal budget. You can either double click or click once and hit the create button. So it brings us to here. So now when we open this up, let's go and input our wages. So we have our total expenses. This gives us our cash short and everything. And then we got our income tab down here. So when we put our wages, interest, dividends, and miscellaneous income. And then if you go down here in the tab, this is going to input our expenses. So we'll first start off by making our input of our income. Let's say make $4,000 per month. So I can simply just input 4,000 and drag it across. Let's say it's consistent. It's a salary. Or you can manually input each month if they change. Interest and dividends, we can put, let's say we make $200 in interest every month. You can either go all the way across, drag it all the way across, it's the same for all the month, or you can input each by month. It's very easy to input this, as well as let's say we make $300 doing miscellaneous stuff each month. So just drag it across. So these are ways you can easily check your budgets and easily look at it. So also, let's look at how much, let's say we have an $1,800 mortgage per month. Drag that across. See, these are very easy ways we can just simply add up what we spend each month. And we can manually input this so it's more specific, or you can get a rough estimate of and put what do you normally spend. So these are all things that can help you stay safe here and also help you manage your money here, especially during this coronavirus hard times. So hopefully this video helps on how you can simply make a budget here in Excel and how it can benefit you. And here you see how these are all $2,700. If for some reason, let's say you had a big expense, let's say you had $50,000 for some reason in expenses. It'll show up red here and it'll show a loss. This is how you can keep track of, are you going to be on track for your budget? Would this be able to something you can afford? So these are all things that you can really take into account, and this should be able to help you. This personal budget tool is very simple, very easy to use, and hopefully this video helped. If so, hit the like button, as well as hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on. And thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, please.